Win with SIP, Aditya Birla Sun Life India Gen Next Fund and Aditya Birla Sun Life Banking and PSU Debt Fund, schemes of Aditya Birla Sun Life Mutual Fund. Have you observed street vendors? Especially the one who sells two seemingly different products throughout the year. When it rains, you will find him selling an umbrella. And when it's sunny, he will sell sunglasses. By selling both products, the vendor has diversified his product line and minimized the risk. That's how asset allocation works. It aims to balance risk and reward by wisely allocating your investment amongst different asset classes based on goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon. So for your short-term goals, wherein the risk appetite is low, you can invest in debt mutual funds. And for your long-term goals, you can invest in equity mutual funds, as you can afford to take higher risk. For a smoother investment journey, you may consider investing in both through SIP to move closer to your goals. For your long-term goals, you can consider investing in Aditya Birla Sun Life India Gen Next Fund, which strives to benefit from the rising consumption pattern in India, fueled by high disposable incomes of young generation. And as India will continue to be one of the youngest populated countries for a significant time, the consumption theme can help you plan and achieve your long-term goals. And for your short-term goals, you can provide stability to your portfolio by investing in Aditya Birla Sun Life Banking and PSU Debt Fund, which primarily invests in high-quality debt and money market securities issued by banks, public sector undertakings, PSUs, and public financial institutions, PFIs. Such instruments are considered as highly liquid and top-rated. Hence, the chances of default may be less. So, go ahead and aim to achieve your goals by investing in Aditya Birla Sun Life India Gen Next Fund for your long-term goals and aim to provide stability to your portfolio with Aditya Birla Sun Life Banking and PSU Debt Fund for your short-term goals through SIP. And stay worry-free from the market conditions, just like the vendor who remains worry-free irrespective of the weather conditions. Invest now and win with SIP. For more information, call 1800-270-7000 or visit adityabirlasunlifemf.com or contact your financial advisor today. Schemes of Aditya Birla Sun Life Mutual Fund. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.